A for ant.
A for ant.
A for apple.
A for apple.
A for aeroplane.
A for aeroplane.
B for bus.
B for bus.
B for baby.
B for baby.
B for butterfly.
B for butterfly.
C for cat.
C for cat.
C for cycle.
C for cycle.
C for cow.
C for cow.
D for dog.
D for dog.
D for drum.
D for drum.
D for donkey.
D for donkey. Let's revise. A, B, C, D.
E for egg.
E for egg.
E for earth.
E for earth.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
F for flower.
F for flower.
F for fan.
F for fan.
G for jam.
G for jam.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
G for garbage.
G for garbage.
H for hand.
H for hand.
H for horse.
H for horse.
H for heart.
H for heart. Let's revise. E, F, G, H.
I for igloo.
I for igloo.
I for insect.
I for insect.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
J for jelly.
J for jelly.
J for jaguar.
J for jaguar.
K for kite.
K for kite.
K for key.
K for key.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
L for lizard.
L for lizard. Let's revise. I, J, K, L.
M for moon.
M for moon.
M for mango.
M for mango.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nuts.
N for nuts.
N for nails.
N for nails.
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
O for owl.
O for owl.
O for onion.
O for onion.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
P for penguin.
P for penguin.
P for pencil.
P for pencil. Let's revise. M, N, O, P.
Q for quartz.
Q for quartz.
Q for quail.
Q for quail.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rose.
R for rose.
R for robot.
R for robot.
R for rainbow.
R for rainbow.
S for star.
S for star.
S for shoes.
S for shoes.
S for sheep.
S for sheep.
T for turkey.
T for turkey.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
T for tomato.
T for tomato. Let's revise. Q R S T.
U for unicorn.
U for unicorn.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
U for UFO.
U for UFO.
V for vase.
V for vase.
V for vulture.
V for vulture.
V for volcano.
V for volcano.
W for whale.
W for whale.
W for wheel.
W for wheel.
W for waterfall.
W for waterfall.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
X for X-ray fish.
X for X-ray fish.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree. Let's revise. U V W X.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Y for yam.
Y for yam.
Y for yarn.
Y for yarn.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Z for zero.
Z for zero.
Z for zucchini.
Z for zucchini. Let's revise. Y Z. वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। कृपया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।